Hello everyone. Today we're diving into HAILUO AI, a powerful tool that helps you create amazing videos, visuals, and even AI voices. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for HAILUO AI. Click on the official website link. It should appear at the top of the results. On the top right corner of the homepage, click on Sign In. Select Continue with Google. Log in using your email credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look for the Create option on the left side panel. You'll see three creation modes: Image to Video Text to Video Subject Reference. Click on Image to Video to begin. Upload an image or video to use as a reference. You can use personal media or select from free resources online. Enter a prompt describing your desired video outcome. Select the AI model that suits your needs. Click Generate to start the creation process. The generation might take a few minutes depending on the complexity. Once completed, view your video and click Download to save it to your device. Go back to the Create section and click on Text to Video. Enter your prompt directly into the text box. Choose the AI model to guide the style and format of your video. Click Generate to create your video. Once the video is ready, you can view and download it. Select Subject Reference from the Creation panel. Provide a subject reference such as an object, person, or theme. Adjust the settings to refine the output and click Generate. Once completed, preview and download the result. Go to the Explore section to view creations made by other users. Here, you can remix and customize their content to fit your needs. Download creations for inspiration or use. Click on Chat at the top of the page. This feature works like ChatGPT, allowing you to ask questions or seek help. Get quick responses and tips directly from the AI. HAILUO AI also lets you generate AI-powered voiceovers for your projects. Access the voice generation feature, input your text, and let the AI create a realistic voiceover. Adjust the tone, pitch, or language if needed, and download the audio. And that's it. You now know how to use HAILUO AI to create stunning videos, remix content, generate AI voices, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.